So what's up guys, welcome back to Glow Up with Chumo. I am Chumo Chimutai. For those who are new here, welcome. So today's video is just about a simple makeup look for a simple day. Yani school and you don't have much to do, like going to the mall, yani such stuff, simple things. So if you want to know how it's done, kindly stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you guys the steps on how you should do your makeup. So with no further ado, let's go straight into the video. So using the Vaseline Petroleum Jelly, I'm going to apply them on my lips to keep them moisturized. So I'm just going to massage it gently. Next, I'm using the eyeshadow brush just to shape my eyebrows to keep them at the right angle so that it can be easy when it comes to shaping and shading with the eye pencil. Next, I'm using the eye pencil color number 3 to line my eyebrows. Kindly follow the shape of your eyebrows. Do not extend them or draw where you're not supposed to. So I'm going to do the same on the other eyebrow. Just do it right. Follow your eyebrow line. Do it gently as possible. Do not press the eye pencil on the eyebrows. Just do it gently. As you can see, I'm now done. Use a concealer brush. I'll conceal my eyebrows using the concealer in the shade Cool Tan. So kindly conceal while pushing it down, or rather pull. I'm not sure the right word to use. So just conceal while pushing it down so that it can be easy when it comes to blending. Using a beauty blender, blend in the concealer by tapping it in till it completely blends. Tap, 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 tap. So I'm going to do the same to the other eyebrow, just the same process that I did to the other one. Conceal, pull it down as you go, pull it down as you go. Using the beauty blender, just tap it in. Always tap it in to avoid creases of the concealer. Tap it in till it blends. As you can see, it has completely blended. I'm using the same concealer brush. I'll use it on the upper side of my eyebrow. I'll use the Milani foundation. I'm doing this so that it can be easy to blend when it comes to the facial foundationing of the face. Next, using the matte purple color of the eyeshadow, using the eyeshadow brush number 7. every part of your eyelid is completely well spread. Do the same to the other eye. Next, I'm going to use a smaller fluffy brush to just brush off the edges to ensure that there are no harsh lines left. Completely spread it to make sure that no harsh lines are left. And so as you can see, no harsh lines. No harsh lines are left. So next I'm using the MAC eyeliner to draw a cut line in between my upper and lower lid. Try to make it as thin as possible when you're coming inside. When you're going inside to your eye, try to make it as thin as possible. To the other eye and do the same thing that you did to the other eye. Remember to make it as thin as possible as you're going in. Yeah, so I guess we're done. Next, I'm using my aloe vera primer. Just apply it on your face and gently massage it in your face. Gently massage it in your face. So using the Milani foundation, apply it on your face. Use a little product. Please use the method of tapping it in. Tap, 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 tap. Tap it in. Always tap it in. Tap, tap, tap. The other side, do the same thing. Tap, tap, tap till it fully blends in. Tap it in till it fully blends. So using a Pro concealer, the shade of Cool Tan, I'm going to apply it on my under eyes. Just apply it on your under eyes. I'm going to apply it on mine, on my nose, and also my chin. Just apply it gently on your nose, and always use less product, little product. I'm going to apply it on my forehead. Again, using the beauty blender, tap it in. Always tap it in. Tap, 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 tap till it fully blends. Tap it in, tap it in. Sacha powder to set the areas where I concealed. So using the powder brush, I'm going to blow off the excess powder. Always blow off the excess powder, then set to areas where you concealed. Damn, who's that? So using the Habibi beauty contour palette, I'm going to contour my face using the darkest shade of the contour palette. Using the contour brush, I'm going to contour my face at the end. Always brush it in, push it towards your hair. Contour my chin line. And I'll also do the same to this other side. Contour my cheekbone and my chin line. So using my highlighter brush, I'm going to highlight my cheeks, the upper part of my cheeks. Kindly use little product. I'm going to use a little highlighter to apply on my face, and yeah, just use little product, don't overdo it. I'm also going to apply it on my nose and blend it in well using the highlighter brush. Going to do the same on my lip line. That one you just don't press it in, just do it lightly. So next I'm using the Huda Beauty lip liner to line my lips. The lip liner is color number 2. Color number 2. Damn, who's that? Ooh, sorry. Go girl. So next I'm going to set my makeup using the Kiss Beauty Makeup Fix Spray. Whoosh, and that is the end product. So kindly watch it, subscribe, share it with as many people as you can. Bye.